Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can get longer out of your LED TVs. So here we have a Samsung 7 Series 65-inch TV, and unfortunately the screen has failed on it. The reason it's failed is because it had to come apart to have the LEDs replaced. Often the LEDs fail because they're being overdriven. They're by default at 100%, but do you really need the backlight to be 100%? If you were to drop it to maybe 50%, then the LEDs will last longer because they're not working as hard. So you might get an extra year, 2 or more out of your TV. So have a play around with the backlight and see if you're happy with it at half the amount. If you are, leave it at half and then your TV will live for longer. So if you were to go into settings, it's going to vary on the TV, but I have a little settings button here. And if you go to picture on this particular TV, I'm going to go down to expert settings. And if you have a look, brightness is at 50. If we go into that, we can lower that down to maybe 25. Now, to begin with, you're going to be like, oh, it looks so dark, but just give it a little while, let your eyes get used to it, and you'll probably be happy with it there. So now at 25 there, which is 50%, to me already my eyes are used to that and I can see that very easily. So have a little play around. If you can have your brightness lower, then your TV will hopefully last longer because the LEDs are not going to burn out quite so quick. If you've got other little tips to make your TV last longer, please put it into the comment section below. Thanks for watching.